What even is content creation? Is it being an influencer? Filming your lunch? Dancing for strangers online? Not exactly. Content creation is this: using your voice, skills, or story to create value for others. And in today's world, that value can turn into income, impact, and freedom. Section 1. What is content creation? Content creation is the art of turning ideas into assets. It's how we share stories, solve problems, and build communities online. And it's the foundation of most online income streams. Section 2. Why content creation matters. Content is what drives connection in a digital world. Every scroll, every click, every OMG this is so me posts is content doing its job. And here's the part most people miss. You don't need a following to start. You just need to be willing to show up. Inside the digital magnetic system, we teach people how to use content to 1. Build trust. 2. Create visibility. 3. Attract daily sales. 4. And sell without selling. Section 3. How to start creating content. Step 1. Know who you're helping. One person, one problem, one solution. Step 2. Pick a platform. Where do you want to show up? Step 3. Pick your format. Faceless, spoken, written, all valid. Step 4. Choose a simple framework. Teach, share, invite. Section 4. Myths that hold people back. I'm not creative. I hate showing my face. I don't know what to post. Isn't it too late? These are myths that keep people stuck. The truth? You don't need perfection. You need a starting point. You need a system. The digital magnetic system taught me how to stop overthinking content and start posting in a way that actually creates income. Whether you want daily commissions, passive income, or to quit your job eventually, content creation is the vehicle. The DMS is the roadmap. Want to learn how to create content without being an influencer? Comment start below or check the link in the description. Your future self will thank you.